Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
गोंयचो 14 वर्सांचो इथन वाज सध्याच्या घडयेक भारतांतलो यंगेस्ट चेस ग्रँडमास्टर जाल्यार जगांतलो दुसरो यंगेस्ट ग्रँडमास्टर म्हणून किताब मेळयला. सबंद गोंया खातीर ही अभिमानाची गजाल.
I started chess at the age of 6.5 in November 2017. My mom had got a chessboard at home, and I found it interesting to move the pieces, and that's where it all started. I used to play with my brother at home first, then eventually my parents put me into a coaching academy, just in Margao only. So that's where it all started. I used to go for coaching for some time. Then I played my first tournament. That was it was a state championship, under 7 state championship. That time we didn't know it was a state championship, but after the tournament was over, we realized it was a state championship. I had finished 5th that time. I had lost the last 2 rounds, otherwise I would have come in top 3 and I would have qualified for nationals. So that was my first tournament. After that we went for nationals. It was in Karnataka. So there I had finished in top 20. That was a big achievement at that time, and that's how my chess journey started. I don't remember how many tournaments I've played so far. Like approximately probably around 200 or maybe more. I'm feeling very happy. It has been my long dream to become a grandmaster. Like when I started chess at the age of 6.5, that time I knew that becoming a grandmaster was a big thing, and that time it just felt like a dream to become a grandmaster. Like it was a long process, and I didn't really think much about it that time. But now that I've become a grandmaster, I'm feeling very happy and very proud. I just want to play chess for my entire life. I want to play it lifelong. My dream in chess is like to go to 2600 first, then eventually 2700, and hopefully within 5 years I want to become a world champion. I admire Grandmaster Magnus Carlsen. He's been a very strong player, and he's 5-time world champion. I really admire his playing style. Also, I admire Grandmaster Vishwanathan Anand. He was India's first Grandmaster, and he still plays chess actively. And I really admire his longevity, that even though he's becoming a bit old, he still plays chess and he's still a pretty strong player. And also I admire Bhakti Kulkarni, international master and woman grandmaster Bhakti Kulkarni. She was there in the first rapid tournament which I had played when I was like 7. That time I used to look up to her, that she is a very strong player. When I go back to school after my tournaments, usually mostly my friends are very excited for my achievements. They congratulate me, and they usually miss me when I'm not there. And also my teachers are very supportive. They help me cope up with my studies whenever I miss something, and overall very thankful. Besides chess, I like to play badminton and table tennis, and also I like to play football in school with my friends. On the occasion of inauguration of Goa Chess Academy, I was felicitated by Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, DSYA, SAG and GCA. I would like to thank them for this.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सगुण गावडे.